All right, you guys are going to do this one on your own. So you're going to need to simplify this down. So you're going to take the formula to find the original expression, just as we did with numbers 5 and 6 in the previous video. So when you look at this, you need to look at what degree you're going to be working with, and if it's a cosine or a sine difference or sum identity. So go ahead, write this down. I'm going to let this run for like a minute and then pause and then show you 7 and 8. All right, I didn't pause that. I let it go a little bit longer. So let's look at these. Cosine of 90. Match the formula. You see that it works for cosine. So cosine of 90, that's 0. Number 8 looks confusing. However, it's really just pi over 12 minus y. That's the sine difference formula. And then you get sine times, like sine of pi over 12 minus y. There's no other way to combine them. That's it for that one.